Most women don't cheat for the reasons you think. It's not about sex, it's not just about love. It's about something much deeper, something that could be destroying marriages silently every single day. Some women cheat and you never see it coming. Why? Because their reasons are emotional, psychological, and often strategic. Unlike men, who might cheat for thrill or variety, women cheat when they stop seeing their partner as the man they once admired. And when a woman cheats, the danger is different. It cuts deeper. Because unlike men, when women cheat, they mean it. One look and I breathe. So, why do women cheat? What are the warning signs? And is there a way to stop it before it happens? Let's break it all down. The number one reason why women cheat, it's not what you think. Most people assume a women cheat because they are unhappy. But here's the truth. Many women who cheat still love their husbands. Sounds crazy, right? But listen, love and attraction are not the same thing. A woman can love her partner deeply but feel zero passion for him. When a woman cheats, it's often because she feels emotionally, mentally, or sexually disconnected. Unlike men, who can separate sex from emotion, women often cheat because they feel ignored. She craves attention, but her partner stops noticing her. They feel emotionally neglected. Conversations are dull, and she feels more like a roommate than a lover. Thirdly, they feel sexually unseen. Their husbands may provide security, but someone else makes her feel desirable. A man might wake up one day and cheat on instinct. A woman, she's been thinking about it, emotionally checked out long before it happens. The secret. Emotional affairs happen first before a woman cheats physically. She cheats emotionally. It starts with a deep conversation with a coworker that feels more meaningful than any talk at home. It could also be an ex suddenly reaching out and reigniting feelings she thought were dead. And it could also be an innocent flirtation that turns into something she can't stop thinking about. Once a woman emotionally connects with another man, it's over. The physical part, that's just the final step. And this is why men often never see it coming. The biggest red flag: when she stops fighting. Here's something most men don't realize. A woman will complain, argue, and fight for the relationship until she doesn't. If she used to get upset when you didn't pay attention, but now she doesn't care, bad sign. If she used to beg for more intimacy, but now she seems fine without it, bad sign. If she used to get jealous, but now seems completely unbothered, the worst sign. When a woman goes silent, she's already moved on emotionally. And when she moves on emotionally, finding someone else isn't far behind. Why women cheat and never get caught. Studies show that women are far better at hiding infidelity than men. And then you ask, why? The truth is, they don't get sloppy. Women do not leave obvious clues. Secondly, they cheat emotionally first. So when it turns physical, they've already distanced themselves. Number three, they do not need to chase. Men approach them, making it easy to deny accountability. Now, this is why some men never realize their wife was unfaithful until it's too late. What cheating does to a man. When a man finds out his woman has cheated, it destroys him. It's not just about betrayal, it's an attack on his masculinity. A man doesn't just feel hurt, he feels disrespected. Was I not enough? He feels inadequate. What did he have that I didn't? And then he feels powerless. How did I not see this coming? Some men lash out, some shut down, some walk away and never recover. But here's the $1,000,000 question. Can a relationship survive infidelity? Or is it over the moment she cheats? Can a woman regret cheating? The answer? Yes and no. If she cheated out of boredom or thrill, she might regret it instantly. But if she cheated because she was emotionally disconnected, she might not. If she cheated and found someone better, she won't look back. Most women don't regret cheating, they regret getting caught. How to stop it before it happens? Want to keep your relationship strong? Keep her emotionally and physically engaged. Make her feel desired. Women don't just want security, they want passion. Don't become predictable. Routine kills attraction. Stay exciting. Thirdly, keep her mentally engaged. If she stops feeling emotionally connected, someone else will provide that connection. The woman who feels deeply loved, desired, and emotionally connected is far less likely to look elsewhere. Here's my final thoughts. Is monogamy a lie? Some argue that humans aren't built for monogamy, that cheating is inevitable. Both men and women will always seek excitement outside their relationship. But here's the truth. Cheating happens when desire dies. If two people are truly invested in each other, monogamy isn't just possible, it's powerful. It creates an intense emotional and sexual bond that no affair can replace. Do you know why? Because your spouse is yours. So, what do you think? Do women cheat more than men? Is cheating forgivable? Let's discuss this in the comments. I'm sure you've enjoyed this so far. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And do not forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other content. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.